Hi, my name is Thierry Lebouc. I am the chairman and co-founder of Greenspector. It's a French startup based in Nantes. Greenspector helps digital teams to eco-design digital services and reduce energy and resources consumption for web, mobile, and IoT applications. Digital technology is certainly an incredible vector to reduce environmental impact, but it is also and is increasingly becoming an issue with an impact of 4% of the greenhouse gas, soon as much as the impact of light vehicles. Greenspector has designed a solution that allows energy consumption to be measured on a device lab all along the project and to access and analyze interface that detects consumptions and allows digital teams to improve the efficiency of the applications. We now have 40 customers in France and essentially big companies. We have integrated our solution on the Auxilium military project with the Atos teams. In this context, the reduction of energy consumption has made it possible to increase the autonomy from 3 hours to 11 hours of the device. Since July, we have joined the Scalar Atos program, and we are proud to be able to contribute to the decarbonization of Atos activities and for its customer in core business. Beyond responding to global climate challenges, software eco-design brings performance, inclusion, cost reduction, and operational excellence.